Hey, it's Jack. Thursday. Now, I got a quick tip for you today. People ask me, what is a good stock for options? Or how do you find a good stock to trade options? Now, a good stock to trade with options, it has two things going for it. Okay? It has volatility and a directional bias. So, volatility is measured in beta. The broad market has a beta of 1, and any stock that has a beta of more than 1 is more volatile than the broad market. That's going to give you better option pricing. If you're a seller of options, you're going to get much more premium with that. Now, as far as directional bias, you want that to be trending higher if you're selling covered calls, if you're doing credit spreads, bull put spreads, stuff like that. And you want it to be trending lower if you're using puts, bear call spreads, stuff like that. Okay, so a good stock, if you ever want to find a good stock for the options, good options on a stock, it's got two things: volatility and a directional bias.